Welcome everybody back into another quick half an hour session of backtesting on EuroDollar. As usual, we're going to do our random date between January and August. And we're going to pick one date that is randomly assigned, 16th of July. There we go, 16th of July. Friday. We had, I think, the NFP the prior week, the week prior, blah, blah, blah. This is okay. Let's go on 500. So maybe we can see the NFP move. Okay. I don't know, I have no idea where it is. The price, okay, it's here. Very good. We need the daily. No, we have it. Very good. Okay. So the daily here, as you can see, and the hourly is here. Very good. Okay, so let's start some sort of analysis. So let's see if we have the news until the last week. So this is Friday 16. I want to go to the 9. No, here, Euro and USD. Thank you. The 9th of, okay. I know it was the 2nd of July, the NFP. So it was already priced in. Okay, very good data. The previous week, this week, what happened? FOMC, member speak, the Powell testimony, import price, unemployment claims, a little bit worse than expected, but better than previous, bearish book, PPI higher, CPI higher. So we should be on a bullish bias on USD. Of course, on Friday we shouldn't have anything. No, we have the core retail sales. So let's jump to the London session. As you can see, okay, London open. We have this one, we have that one. We should be good to go. So on the hourly time frame, what can we see? We are still respecting the bearish high time frame bias. That is price sensitivity area. That is more recent PSA. This one. Okay. Now it looks like we are in a sort of consolidation period from the day before. The day before was all in a consolidation period. Of course, it's Friday. We might not have any big movement, but as a scalpers, we can find something. We might be able to find something anyway. So we jump on the 1 minute. There you go. Here is London open. We have this price here. this price here, a closer price here, because some resistance, and also this one. So I would say this one. There you go. On the hourly time frame, let's see if more or less the same. Yes, exactly. At the top and the bottoms. I don't think we are going to. Let's put it one here, one. Okay. Okay, let's go on the 1 minute. We are at London Open, remember? So we might see some spikes, but we are not in a bias. We don't have a strong bias yet. We can see that it's being respected, this low time frame bearish structure. Yeah. Okay. Okay. There you go. Also, we also have on the 1 minute this small PSA. Okay, let's move and let's see what happens at London Open. Okay, looks like we're making a lower wick on the hourly time frame. So after the previous candle closed very indecisive, we are making a lower wick. We can then see if price then goes up. After making a lower wick, we see flipping bullish, breaking and retesting on the 1 minute to go and revisit those area. That will be like 8 pips and possible continuation up. Let's see how it happens. We can also see that price can retrace. Look, there's no top wick yet. Retrace and pull back here, making a double bottom and then continuation up. Yes, I see that we are in a bearish structure. I would like to see a top wick and then continuation up. But nonetheless, if we see price breaking, possibly the first hour closing below, then we can take advantage of this full range. So let's see the 1 minute. Okay, let's see if we make a top wick. Okay, now we're doing what we were expecting, the flipping of the bullish candle. Let's see. We're only 9 minutes in. Let's see if we have this this move. This is my usual double wick candle. If it was here, I would have considered taking a entry. Let's see if we have a break and retest of this PSA. We don't have to forget that there's also these previous highs on the left hand side. The reason is closing above. Okay, double wick. Let's see if now it retraces. No, closes below. Made that top wick. So we might even retest this price point and then continuation up. Let me put it here. Okay. Okay, looks like now it's breaking below, so we got a full correction of the move. now we are just ranging, so no entry yet. We are making higher lows, but now looks like, okay, we are retesting on the dot this PSA slash this level. Let's see if we make a lower wick and take some high risk high reward buys. Okay, will be like 3 pips. To revisit, this one is 6 pips. It's a very high risk and we can still reject this from this price point. Sadly, sellers are in control. Very good, no entry. Now we are retesting this PSA on the dot, breaking below. Okay, closing strongly below. Now I would like to see a retest. This one. Okay, I would like to see a retest of this PSA and then continuation down. Instead, it's just melting. Very good. It's just melting. 6 pips, 7 pips. Well, actually, we could have taken these cells at the top of the range. You never know. Closing so bullish. Okay, this was a nice rejection. I would like to see a top wick and then a continuation down, not just melting. Because this one can give me, okay, maybe we have double bottom and then continuation up. See, it's not closing strong with the body engulfing the previous candles. This one is pushing up. Exactly. Okay. I'm thinking if this could have been the retest. So the hourly is still 20 minutes in. We still have 20 minutes. Let's see how it closes this hourly candle without looking at the 1 minute. Okay, looks like we're going above. Okay, let's go to the start of the next hour. So now this is the start of the second hour. London session. We are making new lower highs, but we are finding some resistance here at these previous lows on the left hand side, where we can take safer buys, safer sells only below here. Looks like we are creating a flat underbody support. Okay. We are breaking above. Let's see if we have full retest. Close above, close below. But we are sort of retesting this PSA. Like 2.5 pips or more than 4 here and there. We made a double bottom. Looks like it might get nice a nice setup. Let's see now if we make a lower wick. When it flips bullish, we're going to take the buys. Or at the close even. Closing here. Don't want to risk it for an enter with like, let's see the next one. Okay, we might consider entering now. 2 pips. And let's see how it goes. Some rejection, not what I want. Really not what I want. I waited for the close of the candle. Let's see. Okay. I really don't like this action. And I'm going to accept the risk. Okay. So now that we are in profit, I would like to not limit, no. I mean, after the retest, if we go back, then for me, this is over. So I will take it just here. I don't want, it's not to break even, but I don't want to take the full stop loss. And let's go. Okay, nice retest. Bit bullish. No, that's not what I want. Okay, looks like we're getting some nasty rejection and we can close for a minor loss here. No need to take the full loss. Okay, so this tells you something. Why you shouldn't take away the stop. Why? Why going out before? If you have already accepted the risk, there's no reason why. So from minus, so if we took the loss here and we close, it's minus 0.9%. And here we are ready. So we can go to break even, close partials, 75%. Let's see where it goes. Okay, 0.33. Of course, it's not big, it's not a lot, but we have 6 pips in profit versus 1 point something pips in loss. And this makes a difference. It's 0.33% and it's 0.4% more than the other decision. Then you can see here, if you didn't put the stop loss break even, it left the stop loss here, you could have got to your full take profit. As you can see, even more. Look, from the entry would have been like 13 pips instead of 6 pips, but it is the way it works in the market. Lesson learned, do not remove the stop loss here. Here, do not remove it. Get stopped out. I mean, your stop loss is 1.8 pips, whatever. Even if it gets stopped out, it's fine, instead of wasting the opportunity here. Of course, the full take profit here would give you almost 1%. Okay, let me just check one thing. My entry was on here. Okay. Okay. If I want to put 1% at 2 pips, what would be the lot? It would be 5 lots. With the stop loss below here, 2.9 pips, 145, which is a little bit more than this one. Very close to getting stopped out. That's why I don't like entering so high. But I don't know why I did it. Okay, then instead of getting out here minus 0.6, I would have got the full take profit here, 4%, because the risk reward was 1 to 4. But this is it. This is it. That's it for today. See you guys.